I'm Margaret from Heidi and Lana. Today I'm going to show you how to carry your yarn when you're knitting stripes. So what I'll be demonstrating today works really well for either 2 or 4 row stripes. In this sample I've done 4 row stripes. I'll just turn it over so you can see what it looks like on the back here. So I've carried the pink up over the gray section and then knit with the pink again. So that's what the little float looks like on the back. If you're doing more than 4 rows, you would either need to cut your yarn and weave in the ends, or else you would need to catch the yarn on the side, which would be a little bit different than what I'm demonstrating today. So to begin with, all you're going to do is take the new color that you want to begin knitting with and take it under the old color, and then you're just going to knit your first stitch here. And I like to do it just a little bit loose, and I like to knit 2 stitches and then stop and check to make sure I haven't pulled the new color too tight, because you don't want it to pucker here on the side. So let me take that back out and just do it one more time. So once again, we've just finished knitting with the pink. So I'm going to take the new color, the gray, take it under the pink, and start knitting with it. Knit 2 stitches and then stop and check it to make sure you haven't done it too tight. Thanks so much for watching. You can find me on Ravelry, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Heidi and Lana. Happy knitting!